Hello everyone. Hope you are all doing great. I would like to take you through what is a CPU, GPU and these two works together. Let me try to share details to the best of my knowledge. Please try to watch till end of this video. This is Damodar. You're watching Tech on YouTube channel in English. What is a CPU? CPU defines Central Processing Unit. CPU is the most important component in the computer and we can't think of a computer without having CPU. In short, we can say heart in our body. CPU is the heart of computer. We called CPU is brain of the computer because it's actually designed to process, calculate and moving the data. CPU is a processor to execute stored program instructions which is given to it by the user through input. Speed of CPU executing an instruction depends on its clock frequency which is measured in megahertz or gigahertz. Higher clock frequency would result in faster speed execution of instructions. Higher clock speed improves the system performance and lower power consumption. Highest clock speed processor is always better. Snapdragon 800 series and Intel 10th generation are the latest processor, which are the most power efficient and high in performance driven. Mid and lower end processors come with a lower clock speed, which results for execution of any instructions need to run more number of cycles, which results in more power consumption and also generating heating issues. Central processing unit is a combination of RAM, processor and 32 or 64 operating system. To run CPU successfully, better processor is always required and also with a better operating system like 32-bit or 64-bit. Higher RAM is always better so that RAM can keep more applications in a storage. Higher clock speed processor is always better. We have a processor like dual core processor, quad core processor, hexa core processor and octa core processor. Higher core processors is always better in power efficient and smooth execution. Finally, to conclude, central processing units collects all inputs through instructions by the user and display output on its screen. Let's move what is a GPU. GPU defines as a graphic process unit. GPU is originally designed to create images and graphics for better visibility. GPU is used wide range of applications including graphics and video rendering purpose. GPU is able to render images more quickly than a CPU because of its parallel processing architecture which allows to it perform multiple calculations at the same time. CPU is most important for gamers and it's integrated with the SoC for mobiles. For laptops, we have a internal and also external dedicated slot we can use for additional graphing purpose. GPU integrated with the system on chip includes like a processor, GPU, imaging processing, Wi-Fi, antennas and etc. Integrated SoCs, system on chip preparing by MediaTek and Snapdragon processor. Snapdragon processor are highly power efficient and smooth. Famous GPU chipsets are Adreno from Snapdragon, Mali from MediaTek and PowerVR. PowerVR mainly used in Apple mobiles. For laptops and computers, we can extend through additional graphic card. However, for mobile, it is not possible because it is integrated with the system on chip. The main difference between CPU and GPU. GPU cannot understand the mission level language. CPU can understand mission level language. So the GPU works along with the CPU for better visibility and to speed up the work. CPU and GPU works together. CPU works with the GPU and GPU works with the CPU. No need to worry what kind of a GPU you need to select. If you choose higher end processor, then you will have a always better graphical processing unit. So if you are not familiar with the GPU, please ignore and just focus on CPU because higher CPU clock speeds are always having a better graphic unit processing unit. GPU also having clock speed. Higher clock speed is always better for power efficient and smooth execution. Friends, to conclude, both are most important, CPU and GPU. However, CPU is a main processor. It combines with all integrated tools and provide output to the users. CPU is a main heart of the computer. It combines hardware and software and provides finally output by taking input from the users. I hope this video provides a clarity on what is a CPU and a GPU and how these two works together. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section and also let us know if you are looking any particular concept related video. If you like my video, please try to subscribe, share, comment and hit a bell icon to receive all my following videos. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in my next video.